Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm back with another video. In this video I'm gonna install Honda mod on my car. Let me show you what I'm gonna do. I have a badge with me right here, the Honda badge in the black color, and I'm gonna install those today. And let me show you how the white one looks right now, and I will show you after black one. This is how the white one looks. If I go back, you can see. And check this out, guys. We have our old car here, the Honda Civic, still running perfectly fine. Some of you guys probably know that this was my previous car. I sell it to my cousin and it's still running perfectly fine. So this is how it looks from the front. So on the front I blacked this out already, which is the plastic dip. So I'm gonna remove it a little bit, so the one I'm gonna install stick to it properly. Okay, let me open this and show you what do we have here. Okay, this is for steering wheel. You can see this one, and this is 3M tape that they provide with it. This one is for back, and the bigger one is for the front. So let me open this, and so I did not make a video about this. I did wax and wash it yesterday, but I did wax before, and I was planning to make video, but then I wanted to try first, and when I will do it the next time, then I will make a video about it. As you can see, still little bit is still sticking here. So but it does make a big difference. The car is very smooth from the paint. Water does not stay on it. So look at that. I think it's gonna look pretty sick. Yep, look at this. What do you guys think? Yeah, let me put the double tape, clean this, and then I'll put double tape. I'm gonna put double tape in here. Yeah, I'm gonna put it in here, and then when I put on this badge, it's gonna stick it together properly. So yeah. Alright guys, first thing first, you have to clean this properly. Some of the wax is still there, the one I did on the corners of the car. Okay, I think it's pretty clean, and yep, this should be good. So let's open the 3M tape. I'm gonna put this between the badge. Hopefully it's strong enough and works properly. Okay. So this is how I did. I'm gonna put the other side also, in the middle also. Basically I'm gonna put as much as I can. I don't want to lose these badges while driving, so okay, down in the middle. The good thing about this tape is it's quite thin, so there will be no gap between the logo, the actual logo, and the body. Alright guys, time to install. Hopefully it goes as planned and sits properly. I think this is perfect here. I'm gonna just press here. Hopefully it won't come off. Let me just seems like it's not sitting properly. But I'm still gonna press it a little bit hard so it sticks together. I hope it won't come out because of the heat, you know, when this it's hot outside, and these double tape could get loose and you might lose it. I just hope it won't come off like that. So far I think this should be enough. It feels a little bit loose from one side, but I think it should be good now. Let me show you from the other end. Look at that. What do you think how it looks? I think it looks good. So let's go and install the steering one. So I cleaned it already, so I'm gonna put it on and see you guys how it looks. Alright guys, so this is how it looks after installing the black ones. Okay. And yep, this looks like a shadow here. There is nothing there, but it looks like in the video there is something, but in reality there is nothing. It's just a shine. So this is how it looks inside. So now it's time to install the front one. Alright guys, so I cleaned it because it was a plastic dip. I did before in my previous videos. I did this plastic dip and now it's quite hard to remove from these inside corners, but overall it's not gonna look bad when I install this Blackout emblem on top of it. So let's install that and see how it looks. Alright guys, time to put this on. It took a while to install those and clean the emblem also, because previously I had installed the, and this is bad cloth also, literally leaving that yellow things on the emblem. So but because there was a plastic dip I installed previously in my previous video, that's still there inside. I can't remove it properly, so this is the main part that's important. So I'm gonna just install this properly here and we'll leave that thing for later. Alright, so let's just install this. This is also dirty, but I'm gonna clean it later. So right now, and I think this should be good here. Now I'm gonna press this. Press and hold. See, it's even on my cloth. This thing is bad. No matter how many times they say it's microfiber, but it still leaves a lot of small particles, and it's really bad. It's so annoying when you especially clean the car and all those small particles stays on the car. But anyway, I think this should be enough to press, and let me just do this once, and you guys tell me how it looks. Alright, still see that? So annoying. I changed like these cloth like 3-4 times and I could not find still the good cloth that does not leave those things on the car when you clean it. Okay guys, let me put this on side and show you how it looks after installation. Alright, check this out. So what do you guys think? See that? It's full blacked out and it's shiny black, matches with the car color also. Look at that. What do you guys think? Is it good or not? I think it's pretty good. Looks nice. Let me look in the back one. Yeah, it does make different look and it's not bad. It's good. Yeah, I think it's good now. Okay. So yeah, this is about it guys, and if I had to install some other mods I might get later to black out this front grille. As you can see the logo, but the grille is silver. I'm thinking about it if I should black out or not. Let me know in the comment below. Should I do it or I should just leave it like that, or should I install the lip underneath the front bumper, or I should leave it like that. I kind of want and then I kind of don't want, because sometimes you park somewhere and then I don't wanna be scratching that lip on the surface. But it will probably look good if I install it. The car face will look probably bigger with that. So I'll probably guys see you in the next one. Until then, peace out.